Hello and welcome to the run through of the newest and most up-to-date version of the Profitl platform. Today I'm going to be showing you all the features we have and how you can use Profitl to help accelerate your Amazon FBA business. So there are a number of different parts of Profitl. We have our welcome call, our FBA course, our Discord, Profitl Web, Chrome extension, our mobile apps and DealFinder, and I'm going to be running you through each of these today. Each section will be timestamped, so if you did want to skip to a certain bit, you can do that just below in this YouTube video. But let's get into it. We're going to start off with our welcome call. So this is something which is offered to all customers when they join, or you can even join it before you start with Profitl, and you can book a demo just up here. It's hosted on Demio, and in this call we'll give you a live run through of the Profitl platform, which is just quite similar to this video really, and it's all about trying to help our customers get a great understanding of how Profitl works and how they can utilize our tool, because that's something we're very passionate about here at Profitl. We want to help as many people as we can with Amazon FBA. And that leads me on to our next part, which is our FBA course. So we provide a free Amazon FBA course for all Profitl customers. This takes you from the very basics of setting up your Amazon seller account, configuring all your settings in your Amazon account, finding your first product, analyzing your first product, and we also have this in video format as well, so you can also view our free FBA course on YouTube. Now, once you first join Profitl, you can also join our Discord community. So this is a community of over 5,000 other sellers, all like-minded people, and it is such a great community. Everyone in here is trying to help each other, and there is so much knowledge which is shared out between people. This is sort of a hub of Profitl, so we make all the important announcements in here about new features, about what's going on with Profitl, and then you've got the chat, so you can speak to other like-minded people, whether it's about guest and ungated, you can share your results. And we also host our deal of the day in here. So this is something we run for UK and US customers, and we're sending 2 deals Monday to Friday, actual Amazon FBA deals, which you can use to help you when it comes to sourcing products. Now, we don't really recommend to buy these deals just because they do get seen by a lot of people, but it can help you learn websites, show you what offers are on. So hopefully by now you can see the big part of Profitl is just trying to help new sellers become successful. So those are the things you're going to join when you first start your Profitl journey. But now let's actually get into the software part of Profitl. So I'm going to start with the Profitl web portal, our website. We have a number of features on here which are exclusive to the website. So I'll run you through everything we have, starting with your dashboard. This is going to be the thing you see when you first log in. And the first thing you can do is take you through the different steps of Amazon FBA. So there's different videos you can watch all about becoming successful on Amazon, so make sure to check them out and you can mark them as completed when you have done. Then you'll see our affiliate scheme just below, which is of course totally optional to use. Then we've got the track page. So this is our deal analyzer, how you can actually analyze your FBA deals. Now, most people do use our Chrome extension or our mobile app to analyze deals, but you can also do it on the website. Now, I'll be running through all of this later on in this video when we do go through the Chrome extension. So please don't think we're skipping this bit. We will be coming back to this later on. Then we've got the save scan section, so you can view all your save scans in here. This is great if you're doing arbitrage, you're looking at lots of products. You don't want to buy them there and then, you want to do all your sourcing and then you can go back and review them. But I'll show you more about that later in the call. Then we have our scan history. So this does exactly what it says on the tin. This is just going to show you all the products which you previously scanned. Then underneath we have our DealFinder portal. We're going to have a whole section on this later on in this video. So again, we are going to be coming back to this. Now on here we also have our Wholesale Scanner, and our Wholesale Scanner is a feature for all Profitl customers, whether you are on Profitl or on DealFinder, and you now get unlimited scans. So you can scan as many products as you want. All you need to do is connect your Amazon account. You can upload your file into the Profitl Wholesale Scanner. So if you don't know how to utilize this, the main reason we built this is to save people lots of time when it comes to their wholesale. So lots of wholesalers will provide CSV files with all of their products listed. Now, typically what you'd have to do is you'd have to go through that file one by one, trying to find the good FBA deals. But what you can do with our wholesale scanner is you can upload that file into Profitl. That's going to kick back all the profitable deals. So it's really, really easy for you to find and analyze the best FBA deals. And as mentioned, a new feature is this is now totally unlimited for Profitl members. This used to be capped at 2,500 scans, or you could pay for more scans. It is now totally unlimited. I won't go into all the detail about this, how this actually works today, but this is something which is included for all Profitl members. Now, moving on to our apps, we have our iOS app, our Android app, and our Chrome extension. All of these are linked here. More about that later on in the call. Then we have our different support sections. So we've got our community, which I mentioned earlier. Then we've got our help guide. So we do have quite extensive help guides here at Profitl. There isn't anything which isn't covered within our help guides. Then we've got our walkthrough video, which will actually be this video you're watching right now. Then we've got the get in touch page. So we have a fantastic support team. If there's anything you need help with, you can reach out to our team just here. Now, moving up to the settings up here, this is your hub of your Profitl account. So you can play around with all your settings in here. This is for your deal analyzer, connect your Amazon account, choose your VAT settings, turn on and off features just in here. Then we have the account page in here, so you can update all your details, whether you want to change your email, your username or your password, update your card. You can also delete your account in here, which hopefully you won't want to do. And then you've got your billing page in here, so you can see all your previous invoices. There's also a button just to cancel here, which again, hopefully you won't want to cancel, but if you do, here is the button to do so. So that is the Profitl website. We're now going to move on to the Chrome extension and the mobile app. So first up, I'll show you the basics of how people might actually use Profitl. So here we are on an actual potential Amazon deal. So we can buy this toothpaste for £3. On Amazon, the same product sells for £8.93. Now let me show you how the Chrome extension actually works. So when you're on Amazon, you click it just here, and what Profitl is going to do is it's going to start loading the data for you for this product. And it's going to provide us all the key information so we can analyze it for Amazon FBA. So first up, we have our cost and our sale price. So of course you can change this around to whatever you want, and the profit calculations will change. We have our Amazon data just here, so the dimensions, the weight, the brand, the manufacturer, the category it's in. Then we have our key information, so the BSR, the ASIN, how many reviews it's got, how many ratings it's got. Then we've got the sales. So this product is selling 7 to 28 times a month. We give a sales range just to be a little bit more accurate. Amazon don't provide the data on how much an item actually sells. So we have to look at a number of different data points, including stock levels, sales rank, to get this estimate. Then you've got estimated monthly revenue. So based on the sale price and the sales, this is how much revenue it's going to return. Then we've got return on investment and our profit. So this product with this buy price and sale price after all of our fees. So you'll see the fee sections just down here. We've got £2.21 FBA fee, 73p referral fee. The VAT on fees will change depending on your VAT settings. So it gives you all the key information on the profitability for this item. Then you've got 3 buttons just here: list on Amazon, view on Amazon, find suppliers. So list on Amazon, this will take you to your Amazon seller account, so you can list this product. Here you can view the product on Amazon, of course, we're already on it. And then you can also find suppliers for this product. So if we click find suppliers, this is going to search for places you can actually buy this item from. Now next up, we have the seller data section. So this product has 1 FBA seller and 4 FBM sellers, FBM being fulfilled by merchant, FBA being fulfilled by Amazon. We can also see how much stock for different types of sellers also have. And this is very important because it helps us understand our competitions. Next up, we have the warnings page. So first up is, of course, whether it's gated or not. So we can see we are gated in this product. There's a button here where you can request to be ungated. Then we've got a number of other warnings. If you click the little question mark just here, you can see what each of these warnings mean. So if there are any warnings, they will highlight red. If there isn't any, they'll just say no and they'll just stay in their same color. Then next up we have the price graphs, and the price graphs are going to be one of your best friend when it comes to Amazon FBA, just because they provide so much data which isn't clear on the surface. So we can go back to the last year or all time for this product to see how the price has been performing. And this is important because we can look if it's a high price now, if it's a low price now, what's our chances of getting undercut. We can have a look at the sales rank to see if it's popular. We can have a look at the offer history to see if there's a chance of any IP violations. So it's really, really important to understand these graphs, and they can save you from a lot of bad buys. Quickly switch product just to show you another important feature on the Profitl Chrome extension, and that is about variation sales. So we're on this Sonic toy, and we can see it sells 63 to 87 times a month. It's got 597 reviews, and it's got a BSR of 17,839. So it looks quite popular, but the issue is all of these reviews, this BSR and the sales is split between all these different variations, and we can see there are 16 variations. So you may think this product is a lot more popular than it actually is. So all we have to do is come down and click View Variation Sales. And now we can see all the sales for each of the variations is going to pop up. So we're on Metal Sonic, so we're going to continue to scroll down, and we can see that this is actually getting 0% of the sales, so it isn't as popular as you would think. The most popular one is the Chameleon one, so that's the one you want to be buying, and it's very, very important to minimize making bad buys. Now the next section we have is our multiple quantity section, which is a brand new feature, and this is just to show you profitability depending on how much quantity you're buying. So if you're buying 20 of these units, you can just put this up to 20, and we can see that our profit is going to be £59.80 from that profit, or you can put in your FBA shipping as well just to make it even more accurate. So we're going to be making 71% return on investment and £49.80 based on the current sale prices. Then we've got the pricing section. So this is to give you all the average data for this product. So you can have a look at the prices on average over the last year, the average FBA price, the average buy box price, the number of sellers on average, the sales rank on average, and you use all of these data points to try and come to an informed decision before purchasing your deals. Now next up we have the eBay data section. So if we can get the eBay data, it will show up just here, but you can also view the active and sold listings for this product on eBay, just because sometimes it's good to see how the product is performing on other marketplaces. Then we have the Profitl ranking, so we give each deal a rating out of 100, and it also gives you a breakdown of how we've come to that deal. So this one is a good buy, giving us a score of 58 out of 100, so this is a very popular feature. Then we have our notes section. So of course you can write notes about this product. So you might want to write down about what your analysis said, because it's very easy to forget when you're buying lots of products. And then you can give it a rating, great, good, average or poor, and you can save this deal. Now at the bottom you'll see 4 different icons. So what you can do is you can move the extension about. So if you want to put it on the left side, you can. If you want to embed it in the page, just over here, you can also do that. So depending on how you like to view your products, you can switch it about. And then you'll also see dark mode just down here. So if you prefer to have Profitl in dark mode, you can also do that using this button. Now another cool feature of the Profitl Chrome extension is our auto scan. So a number of websites, most of the large retailers in the UK and the US, we are integrated with. And what this means is you don't need to just be on Amazon when analyzing your deal. You can easily do it on the source website. So if you click a product, like we're on Argos at the moment, we'll go more details, and we're going to load the Chrome extension. What Profitl does, it try and finds this product for you in the background. So it's going to load up the potential options. We can see that one just here, and it's going to pre-insert the purchase price for you as well. And it's going to load all this data. I'll show you just another one so you can see it in action on this Lego Marvel Black Panther. And you'll see in the background, it's trying to search this product for us, and it's going to give us potential options. So we can see, yep, that's our best match. You'll see the purchase price will also show up. So this one isn't a great deal. It just saves you time when sourcing your FBA products on third-party retailers. So that's how the Chrome extension works. The mobile app works in exactly the same way. You'll now see it up on the screen. So this is how the mobile app looks. As you can see, it looks exactly the same. The only difference is this is for retail arbitrage. So it has a built-in scanner. When you click the scan button just up here, that's gonna load up your camera, and it means that you can scan the barcode of an item and it's going to load it up. So this is great if you're out and about in the shops and you want to do some retail arbitrage. You just scan the barcode with your camera and that's going to pull up all the data for you. But other than that, it is all exactly the same as on the Chrome extension and on the website. And this is very important for us at Profitl because we wanted the experience to be as seamless as possible. So we've shown you the Chrome extension and the mobile apps. We'll now be moving on to DealFinder. And what DealFinder is our portal of potential FBA deals. So we update this twice a week on Tuesdays and Fridays. And the way it works is we scrape all the largest retailers in the UK and the US looking for a low price on the source website and a high price on Amazon. So if a product is £10 on Argos, and it's selling on Amazon for £25, that will go into DealFinder as a potential deal. Now, DealFinder isn't a checked deal service. As I say, all this data is scraped, so we're just looking at the pricing points. But the idea is to save users hours trawling different websites, so you haven't got to switch between all the different websites. We put all these deals into central portal for you to save you lots of time. So here we are on the UK DealFinder, and as mentioned, we update this on Tuesdays and Fridays. We put a notification into our Discord when it does get updated, but on the last update there was 3,700 updates. So it's really easy to use. You've got filters, so you can filter the different suppliers, the prices you want to look at. If there's certain suppliers you don't want to see, you can filter them out, or you can look at the different food filters here. You can have a look at products by category. And it can save you a lot of time when sourcing your items. Now, when you're looking through at products, it's really easy to use and to analyze your products. All you have to do is click the scan button just here. That's going to load up the scanner for you. You can click calculate and you can start analyzing all the different data. Now, if there's certain items you don't like, you can hide them. So if we click hide on this, we're no longer going to see this product. So we won't ever see this again because, of course, not all deals are going to be good deals. So you're not going to want to keep looking at them same deals over and over. So once they're hidden, they will stay hidden. Now, if there's a deal you really like the look of, what you can do instead is you can click favorite. So we'll favorite this one just here, and that's going to come up in our favorite section. Our hidden one will be in the hidden section. If you did want to unhide them, you can click just unhide them here. Now, for those new to Amazon FBA, deal finding is going to be the hardest part about Amazon. It takes a long time to master deal finding. Even if you're using software like DealFinder, not all these deals are going to be good. You're going to be gated in lots of them. You're going to analyze them and realize that they're not going to be right for you. The key with deal finding is just staying persistent. As of anything, the more time you spend doing it, the easier it does become. So that is version 6 of Profitl. We hope you found that video helpful. If you did have any questions about the Profitl platform, please do put them in the comments below and we can get them answered for you. But thank you so much for watching. You'll also find a YouTube sign up code in the description. But we hope you enjoy the Profitl platform.